A lot of people are out of work, others are working from home, but for some of us, it's just not an option. Among them, social workers, who are often tasked with in-person check-ins with families around the state. Many are investigating child abuse and neglect. Jacqueline Quinn joins us now live as we look at this issue. And a lot of families under a lot of pressure with some folks out of work. Now, you spoke with the Department of Human Services, and let's talk about their work right now.
Yeah, they tell me since school has been out, they've seen a 38% drop in their hotline to report child abuse and neglect. Now, social workers, as we understand it when we were talking with them, they're still making visits, though in cases where there are concerns, they're consulting with the Department of Health in various counties. And the department is still talking with the governor's office and public health groups to determine if this should pause while the coronavirus is still rapidly spreading around the country. Now, we also talked to court-appointed special advocates, CASA. They often work alongside social workers with the Department of Human Services. They are trying to use video conferencing and calls, and they told us now is the time to keep your eyes and ears out, especially for young children.
They're already in a scary situation because they've got an open case and things have been, hard on the family. And so this added stress that we're experiencing right now, from the economic stress, and, everybody's worried about food and supplies and all of these different things, that's happening to every family. But that added stress on a family who's going through this kind of a situation and has an open case, it's going to make it harder and riskier for kids.
And some of those volunteers with CASA are also trying to just make more calls and read stories, check in with those kids. In the meantime, they say that there is that hotline that you can still call. That's 1-844-CO for kids. Again, 1-844-CO for kids. And if there's something pressing or immediate, they say don't hesitate to call 911. For now, reporting in Denver, I'm Jacqueline Quinn covering Colorado First.